I'm about to show you how to install a pair of power rotary scissors onto your gas-powered string trimmer. For those of you that want that circular saw blade motion instead of the string, this video's for you. Now here's what I'm working with. I am using an Echo SRM 225. I'm gonna be putting an Idech power rotary scissors on the end of this thing. I have the Echo, but this thing is adaptable to several of the popular models, and I'll show you why. It's because with the Idech power rotary scissors comes a set of mounting kit couplings or adapters. Here's the tools that I'm gonna be using. I've got one of these to be able to take the head off. I've got a mechanical pencil and a flat tip screwdriver and a needle nose pliers just to help me put the adapter down the shaft and to hold it steady. That's it. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is take the head off of my Echo. There's two knobs here on the side. All right, and there you have it. So here's the old string trimmer head, and here's the shaft. Now the first thing that I wanna do is I want to pull the shaft or the stem inside the shaft out a little bit, because the end of this is what's gonna be connecting to the adapter that I'm gonna be sticking into this scissor head. So that's gonna come out. You don't need to pull the whole thing out, just pull it out a little bit. The next step is to take your power rotary scissors, and you're gonna wanna find the right adapter that's gonna fit your particular string trimmer model. The easiest way to tell is to look at the end of that adapter. This is the Echo model, and you can kind of see there, I'll just get some of the grease off, that it's got kind of a square head. Other models might have more of a star shape. If you compare that to the adapters that Idech provides, you can tell pretty easily that that's the adapter that I want to use. You see all these like little starry designs. And if you've got one of these and you can't really tell, just grab them all out and try to fit them onto the end of your string trimmer shaft, and you'll be able to tell right away. But for the sake of this video, that's the one I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna pull that out. There it is. This is gonna go on the end of that. There's also gonna be a coupling that comes with it. This package is gonna come with 3 of them. And you basically want to make sure that it's tight enough so that when you put this part of your string trimmer, the outer shaft in there, it's very tight. It's as tight as it can go. So you might have to trial and error it, but you're gonna wanna put this inside there. These couplings have this little nub on the end of it, and this sits in a little indention right there on my string trimmer. There's a little gap here, and so this is gonna slide in. And this is supposed to keep you from putting it at the wrong angle. So it should be very clear that the only way that this thing can go in is not this way, and it's not this way, but it's with this nub facing in the direction of this gap. And so this will go in straight through there. And I just want to show you what it looks like. I already have it in here, and you can see it right there, right? So I'll pull it out a little bit. So that's gonna go all the way in. Now the next thing you're gonna do is you're going to take the adapter. What I'm gonna do here, it's very greasy. So I'm gonna take these needle nose pliers. I'm going to put them all the way, I'm gonna put this adapter all the way into the back where the teeth start to grab it, and it stops pushing all the way in. Right? So you can see it right there. The adapter is in there, it's locked, it's loaded. Now I'm gonna take the end of the string trimmer, pull the shaft out. And this is gonna fit all the way into the adapter that I just put in. I have to spin it a little bit to make sure that it's in. I can feel that it's locked in. Final step is to lock this down. Should be good to go. Let's try it out. All right, it's attached. I've got the guard off. Let's see if this runs. And it's on. Shaft is in, spinning. And that's how you put a pair of power rotary scissors onto your gas-powered string trimmer. If you have any questions, hit me up, let me know. And if you liked this video, if it was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you later.